What's up, guys? San Joaquin Valley Transparency. I'm here with Nate Skates, 82, and San Joaquin Audits. And there's a heavy police presence out here in Shafter, California. Alright, so you guys understand what's happening in this video? A community member and supporter from Shafter, California sent us a message that a possible officer involved shooting happened in Shafter. So as we were heading there to document the scene, we seen several police cars speeding towards this neighborhood, so we decided to follow them. Come to find out, neither incident turned out to have an officer involved shooting. What we did find out about this incident is that someone inside the house was murdered. I definitely cut out a lot of the video. I didn't want to show you guys family members, and I did have to use the blur tool a little bit as well out of respect for the family members. So you guys know I've recorded several incidents like this before, I just never posted them. I usually don't like to record stuff like this. I leave this stuff to the streamers. They really don't care about showing dead bodies and selling it to the news. But like I said, I cut mostly everything out. I just wanted you guys to see what I stumbled upon. So here we go, folks.
Guys out back further back.
We're
sitting in the perimeter back over
There's
there.
a crime scene.
Taping it off, guys.
Back up, please.
Try to get a good angle.
How you doing?
What's up, man?
Hey, we're gonna rope it off right here, probably to about right in here. Actually, you probably get some good shots from there. Is it you rolling?
Yeah, we're rolling.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Like I said, I'm gonna just rope it off here. Just rope it.
Can you tell us a little bit about what happened?
I got here just right now, so I don't even know. We got dispatched to an unknown situation.
You get right from here, Sarge?
I'm gonna go from here straight across there.
Okay.
Let me go. You probably can get where he's standing. I'm saying this.
How you doing, fellas? You guys getting out of here?
Yep.
Mind if I get your names, badge numbers right quick?
Wall, WALL, badge number 1005.
1005.
1549.
1549? All right, thank you. It's not their jurisdiction here. We're not going to record you guys. We're going to record the police. I'm not trying to get into it with the people, you know? Like, that's not what this is about. I'm trying to, talk to them and let them know that we're not here to piss them off. We're here to document and record the police. Right here, folks, you're going to hear that somebody came out of their house and asked me what I was doing. That guy was actually holding a phone in his hand trying to record me. And when he asked me what I was doing, I told him that we work for the news. It was that simple. He smiled and left me alone. Keep watching. We work for the news. Yeah. We don't know yet. We're trying to find out.
Sir, can I get you to stay over here, please?
Oh, well, they told me to read the videos.
What's that?
They told me to read some
Yeah,
videos.
I'll have somebody come over to your house, okay? Okay. Thank you.
Hey, make sure you have copies of your videos before you give it to police. Yeah, make sure you have, don't just give it to them, make sure you have copies. Yeah. Yeah. Do you catch anything?
Yeah.
All right.
What happened?
He killed mom.
Your family boys go there with the rest of the family.
What happened?
He killed mom.
How? What? How? What?
Damn.
They're all here and the fire department's all here.
Fuck, that sucks. You guys, this is San Joaquin Valley Transparency. Out of respect for the family, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. From my understanding, this is not a officer-involved shooting. We're actually gonna get out of here and go head out to where the actual officer-involved shooting was. We do see that here on this house, the house that they have taped off, has a window screen pushed out, and so see if we can get a statement from this here. How's it going, man?
Not too bad. How are you?
Not too bad. Is it possible to get a statement?
Not right now,
Not yet.
and specifically because I don't know much. Right
Okay.
now. We're still investigating, trying to figure out what's going on.
All right. Does it have anything to do with the officer involved that you know of?
No.
No officer involved. Okay. All right. Thank you.
I'm gonna have one of our patrol cars come through here as soon as we
All
can.
right. Mind if I get your name and badge number?
My name's Lieutenant Stevens. Badge number is 248.
248, Lieutenant Stevens. Thank you.
Barely.
That was Lieutenant Stevens from the Shafter Police Department. And so from my understanding, it's not an officer involved. We just confirmed that. So we're gonna go ahead and call this one, guys. We're gonna go out to the other one and see if they're still out there. All right, thank you for tuning in.